Hello guys, on today's tutorial we will be learning how to barb a 3-step fade on a low cut. Start with your clipper without a guard and the lever fully closed. Use the clipper to make a slightly high bald cut around the head. This will serve as your first guideline and the foundation of the fade. Make sure the line is even all the way around the head. Open the clipper lever fully, still without a guard. Create another guideline about 1 inch above the bald line going around the head. This line separates the bald section from the next level of the fade. Open the clipper lever halfway. Use it to fade the bald line into the second guideline you created above it. Work gently with small upward strokes until the bald line begins to disappear smoothly. Attach guard number 1 with the lever closed. Use the clipper to clear the hair above the second guideline, forming a visible ridge punk between the fade area and the longer hair above. This helps prepare the hair for blending. Keep guard number 1 attached, but open the lever fully. Use the clipper to fade the punk into the low cut above the second guideline. Work carefully around the head to ensure the transition looks smooth. Now debulk the punk area by lightly passing the clipper through the thick parts. Reduce the bulk gradually until the hair blends naturally into the low cuts. Go around the haircut again to remove any remaining dark spots or uneven areas. Use careful clipper strokes to refine the blend. Use your clipper with the lever closed to line up the hairline, temples, and back of the neck.
Another key target has been the office of the Assembly of Experts in the city of Barber. Who are the Assembly of Experts?
Make the lines clean, straight, and sharp. Use a razor blade to sharpen the line up and make the edges extra crisp and professional.
Teams naman also in Tel Aviv are will and holding the husband through this process.